Hi everyone, hope you're well. So you spent hours and hours working on your latest and greatest video. It's a masterpiece and you're certain that this is the video that's going to get noticed and get you millions of views and subscribers. Finally, you upload it to YouTube and nothing. Where are the viewers? Don't they realize that you've just made them the best ever video? Oh no, what a disappointment. So sad. What went wrong? The reality is that there are so many videos being uploaded all the time onto YouTube. So many people chasing the YouTube dream. To give your video the best chance possible, you've got to tell as many people as possible that your latest and greatest is here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and effortlessly set it up so that every time you upload a video to YouTube, it'll automatically notify the other social media platforms. So that's Instagram, Facebook, your WordPress site, Pinterest, Blogger, Reddit, etc. Of course, there are other platforms that you can do this with, but these are the ones that I'll be doing. Once you set this up once, and it'll take about 10 minutes to do after you've created these social media profiles, if you haven't got them already, it will save you hours and hours of time as you're not manually doing it, and hopefully give you a ton more views. Hey guys, so I am going to be using this website. It's called ifttt.com, and it actually stands for if this then that. And what it does is it links all your social media accounts together, and I'll be using this to help automate the creation, well, not the creation. I'm going to use this to automate the posting of my YouTube videos to the different social media platforms, and it will just save so much time. So the idea is that I will post to YouTube, and IFTTT will distribute my video to all the other platforms. So that's it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to do that in this video now. So I've just signed up. So you do just go to ifttt.com, sign up, and click on sign up, or sign in my case, because I've done it. Just skip where I want to get to is so the first thing I need to do is let's go to create. Yeah, if this then that. So I think no, not create, sorry. So I need to explore. So these are things are called recipes, and recipes are bits of software which allow me to connect to all the social media platforms. So I want to start off with YouTube. YouTube is going to be where everything comes from. So every time there is a video, it's the video which then gets distributed to all the platforms. So you type in YouTube. And I did see one here the other day. You see here your YouTube to Google Drive, YouTube to tracks to Spotify, YouTube to WordPress. And there was one which did YouTube to loads of platforms. So this Twitter interest. There was one which did quite a few. I ideally would like to have one software do everything, but I may have to test different applets. These are called applets, because I've noticed that some may post, but I may not get everything that I want across. So I did test one the other day. It posted the initial title of the video, but then it didn't attach the video, so that was rather useless. I cannot remember which one that was, so I'll probably have to test it, submit a YouTube video, watch it distribute, then may have to change, swap certain ones out if it doesn't work. Now, which one? Where was it? YouTube. Dear me, gotta find it. Oh, yeah. YouTube videos to all social platforms. Let's try that one. So it's going to post to YouTube, to Twitter, to Tumblr, Facebook pages, Pinterest. So I can say, yeah, connect. Right, so I'm going to go to YouTube. Okay, so when you click on that, it says this is sort of standard, so I just allow it because I do want it to do all this stuff for me. Okay, so it's going to Twitter now, so it's going to go through all these ones and authorize, and I have made all new accounts, all the new social media accounts for all of these. Authorize that. It does make it very, very easy, and it will save you so much time. Now Tumblr, I'm not sure, I do not have a Tumblr account yet. So I do need to set up an account. Just allow. Okay, I think it's going to go to Facebook pages now. It's Pinterest, okay. Right. Oh no, there was an error. Rotating this connection, that's not great. I just started. Oh, connected now. So it has worked now. So this is now live. So this should now post to all these social media platforms. And as you can see, it took only, what, less than 10 minutes to do. So I've got my list here. So I've got Twitter. Okay, I don't have Instagram. So I need one that does Instagram. I've also got a web page, which the website isn't up and running. So I will go back to do the web page. Pinterest. Also got a blogger and a Reddit account. I did see those, so I want to go back here. So let's go back to explore, and I want YouTube to Instagram, YouTube video to YouTube, the Instagram to no YouTube to. Sometimes the social media platforms change the way they interface with other programs. So there's some APIs, and when they change the APIs, some of these apps will fall over. They'll need to be rewritten. Okay, so R videos. So this one is quite useful. YouTube videos to R videos. That's Reddit, which is another big platform that a lot of people use. So I'm going to connect. So see, I've already set up an account with Reddit. Allow. Got the Reddit one done. Okay, go back to explore. So I'm looking for YouTube to Blogger. It's best to try connect to as many social media platforms as possible, especially if you can do it with something like this. It just makes it so much easier. YouTube video to Blogger post. This is YouTube to blog, so probably the same thing, but this one has more, 6.3 thousand people have done this as opposed to 444 using this one. So I think we'll use the one that has more likely that it has worked better. Okay, so I've got Blogger. So I still need an Instagram one, so I'm just going to check that. This is a very useful one to tweet your Instagrams as native photos on Twitter. So every time I do an Instagram update, it will go to Twitter. Connect that. Instagram account. Authorize. Okay, that took a little while, but it's gone through now. Connected, good. Yeah, so I think I'm going to leave it at that. As I said before, I do have a website it'll be a WordPress website. I am planning to just put all my videos as posts into a website also. And the website isn't ready yet, so I can't make that connection as yet. But when I do, I will make the video. Yes, so that is it for now. Thank you for watching. In my next video, we will check to see how this video is distributed, and there probably will be some tweaks and changes that we'll need to do. So if you have done so, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.